Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to do an oil maintenance light reset in a Lexus CT200H. So let me show you how to go ahead and get this done. Step 1. Press the power button twice to turn on your ignition without starting the engine. Step 2. Then press the trip button on the dash and set it to the trip A. Step 3. Next, push the power button once to turn it off. Step 4. Now, you need to push and hold the trip button down and click on the power button twice without depressing the brake pedal. Step 5. Keep holding the trip button and wait until you see the screen flashing, and then, when it's all zeros, it's done. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me comments below if you have any questions. Anyway, thanks for your time and I hope you learned something new.